Hello students, a very happy and cheerful morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. So students, are you ready for your subject grammar? Today we will start chapter 11, that is A and the. A and the. In this chapter you will understand that where should we use these three words and how we use. So come on, take out your textbooks. So children, page number 31 of your grammar textbook, chapter 11, A and the. So come on, let us read these words. Look at the pictures and read the words given below. Now, can you see these beautiful pictures? Let us read. A butterfly, an umbrella, a tree, an ant, a goat, an aeroplane. So did you heard? In some words we were using a and in some we were using an. Why so? Let us understand. We use an before a naming word that begins with a vowel. Now what are vowels? I hope you all know. Again see, vowels are A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So whenever a word begins with vowel, we have to put an before that word. Okay. We use a before a naming word. Now when do we use a? When a naming word that begins with a consonant sound. Now what is consonant sound? All the alphabets from A to Z except vowels. A to Z में से अगर आप vowels को हटा दो, so whatever the alphabets are left, that are consonants. So see, here U is a vowel, that is why we inserted N, and A is a vowel, that is why N. Now see, butterfly starts with B. B is not a vowel, that is why a butterfly. Tree, T is not a vowel, that is why a tree. Okay students, see goat, again G is not a vowel, that is why a. So on based of this, here is an exercise. Put a or an before these naming words. Now you have to put a or an. Teacher, is T a vowel? No. So we will write a teacher. Ox, ox. O, you have to pay attention towards the first letter. O is a vowel. So here you will write an ox. Okay. Train, dash train. A train or an train. See the starting letter T, not a vowel. So a train. Dash engine. Again pay attention towards the first letter E. E is a vowel. An engine. So like this you will solve this exercise by yourself. Easy. Okay, so this remaining exercise you have to solve by yourself. Now moving towards our next page, page number 32. Read the sentences given below. Now you have to read these sentences along with me very carefully. I have a pet dog. The dog plays with me. Now why the dog is written in pink? Because here we will learn the use of the. A princess lives in a palace. The princess is beautiful. My father has a laptop. He uses the laptop for his work. The sun shines in the sky. Just now listen to these sentences. Then I will tell you why we have inserted the here. Okay. We can see the moon at night. The Red Fort is in Delhi. The Yamuna is a long river. The Red Sea is very big. Now let us see the use of the. When the is used before a naming word when we have already talked about it. First thing you should remember, हम the कब लगाते हैं? When we have already talked about a naming word. For example, in this sentences हमने एक बार बता दिया I have a pet dog. Now again हम उस pet dog के बारे में कुछ और बता रहे हैं. So when we say again, when we say about a naming word, the second time we use the. Second example, a princess. क्यों हमने यहाँ पे a लगाया और यहाँ पे the? Because in this sentence, when we are talking second time about princess, then we have to put the. When we are talking second time, okay? See, my father has a laptop. But when we will talk about it second time, so it will become the laptop. Okay, and see, the is also used before names of seas, rivers, oceans. Whenever you say a name of river, ocean, sea, never forget to put the. For example, the Ganga, the Indian Ocean, okay. Then third, the is also used before names of a famous building like the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. Whenever you talk about monuments, special buildings, famous buildings, so you have to insert the, okay. So you understood when we talk second time, then the is used. When we talk about river, ocean, sea, then the is used. And in famous buildings, one more time, the is also used before names of things that are only one. In the whole world, only one. What are those things which we have only one? The sun. हर जगह पे अलग अलग sun होता है? No, sun is only one. So the sun, the moon, the earth. Okay. So I hope you have understood when and where we should put a, an and the. Now see this exercise. Use a, an or the. Now you have understood a is used before consonant, an is used before vowel, and the is used. Now just now we read this yellow box, okay. This is very important box, okay. So now on the basis of this explanation you have to solve this. I got dash umbrella. We are talking first time about umbrella, and umbrella is starting with a vowel. I got an umbrella. Dash umbrella is big. Second time we are talking about umbrella. The umbrella is big. Okay. Dash bus comes down the road. Dash bus comes down the road. See, it is not starting with a vowel. So, a bus comes down the road. Dash girl is waiting at the bus stop. We are talking first time only about a girl. A girl, and it is not a vowel. So, a girl is waiting at the bus stop. Again, girl के बारे में दूसरी बार आया. So, what we will insert? Yes, children. The girl gets into, again bus के बारे में second time. So, the girl gets into the bus. Okay. See. Here we will not write capital because a new sentence is not starting. So, the girl gets into the bus. We live on dash earth. Don't write an because E is a vowel. Earth is only one in the world. So, the. Okay, don't get confused. Whenever you see building's name or river's name, so you put the only. Then don't say that it is starting with vowel, so we should put an. No. See, 3 I told you. Now 4, 5, 6, 7 you will be doing by yourself as your homework. Okay, children? In the next video lesson, we will continue with our further exercise C and D. Till then, see the video carefully and do your homework. Take care, keep smiling, may God bless you.